Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund, Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve and troubleshoot file system with the error code -10735455193 in Windows 10 computer. So there are possible causes of this file system error include third-party conflicting software, corrupted system files, Windows Store cache, hardware issues, incorrect shutdowns, and software bugs. And then I'll show you some guide and tips to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset the Windows Store cache. On how to do that, so all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type this command keyword ws reset, and then you need to click open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword ws reset to make this Microsoft Store back to default settings and to fix any error or issues about this. Alright, so once you're done here at Microsoft Store, and then we need to close this Microsoft Store. If the error is still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Store apps troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and then you need to type this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at troubleshoot settings, and then on right side, and then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters, and then click. And then once you open up here at additional troubleshooters, so here at left side navigation panel, and then underneath here at find and fix other problems, then you need to scroll down and select this Windows Store apps. So all you have to do is to click, and then you can see this run the troubleshooters, and then tap or click, and then pop up this Windows Store detecting problems. Then we need to wait to complete the scanning. And then once you complete this troubleshootings at Windows Store apps, then we need to follow the screen instructions to fix this error. So we have two options here that we're going to do. So give feedback on this troubleshooters, or we need to close the troubleshooters. Then also you can view the detailed informations about these issues. And then here at troubleshootings report, so you can see now those potential issues that were checked, if it's fixed already or is still not fixed. And then you need also to follow again the screen instructions to fix this error. Then you need to tap or click this next to proceed. And then after here at Windows Store apps troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the SFC and the semi-scan. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type this CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to tap or click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, then you need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So that's why we will do this command keyword as fc scan now, because this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to enter. So copy this command keyword and paste this dsam space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command. And then we need to paste, and here use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B, and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to do it again to complete the verifications into 100%. And then the restart operations completed successfully. And then after completing this to command, and then we need to close the CMD. And then here at the power button, then you need to click this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.